In this video, we listed the 5 best cameras for photography on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Komery 64MP Digital SLR Camera. The digital camera described in the overview features a high-resolution sensor with options for 64MP, 32MP, 16MP, and 8MP settings for capturing detailed images. It offers various light sensitivity settings, image quality options, white balance presets, and delay photography functions. The camera supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS and can be used for vlogging, live streaming, and video calling. It includes Wi-Fi and HDMI output capabilities for easy sharing of content. Additional features such as time-lapse, continuous shooting, slow motion, and a built-in fill light make it versatile for different shooting scenarios. The camera comes with a 32GB SD card and is suitable for photography enthusiasts and beginners alike. The specifications include a true pixel of 1200MP, support for SD cards, MP4 file format for videos, JPG for images, and ISO sensitivity adjustments. The camera weighs 800g and is identified as the Komery W2 model with a full-frame sensor size. It is designed for various application scenarios and supports multiple languages. Number 2. 4K HD DSLR Camcorder. The package includes a 4K 60 FPS video camera along with various accessories such as USB Type-C cable, dust-free cloth, 3000 mAh battery, English manual, and optional items like additional batteries, camera lens hood, HDMI cable, SD card, card reader, camera bag, shoulder strap, and LED auxiliary light. The 4.0-inch Touch HD screen camera features 4K 60 FPS video recording and 64MP photo photography capabilities, with built-in features like fill light, HDMI, 3.5mm microphone, and Type-C charging interface. It offers functions like live streaming, Wi-Fi connectivity for smartphone control, recording while charging, pause function, clear HDMI output, 16x zoom, time-lapse, slow motion, loop photography, autofocus, and continuous shoot. The camera supports various resolutions for photos and videos, has multiple settings for white balance, exposure compensation, self-timer, and more. It comes with a 21MP CMOS sensor, supports SD/HCSD cards up to 256GB, and is powered by a lithium battery. The camera's portable design, along with its compatibility with external accessories like microphones and fill lights, makes it suitable for various scenarios like indoor, nature, portrait, wedding, and more. Number 3. G-Anica 4K Digital Camera. The G-Anica 4K 48MP digital camera is a versatile and high-quality tool for photography and videography, offering impressive video resolution and photo capturing capabilities. Its compact design and lightweight build make it ideal for travel and capturing life's special moments on the go. The complete content creator kit that comes with the camera includes essential accessories like a microphone, tripod grip with remote control, and a 32GB SD card, providing everything you need to create professional content. With features like 16x digital zoom, a 3.0-inch flip screen, wide-angle and macro lenses, and various shooting modes, this camera is suitable for a wide range of applications, from vlogging to nature photography. It also makes for a perfect gift for photography enthusiasts or aspiring vloggers. The camera's multifunctionality, ease of use, and included accessories make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their photography and videography skills.